Yan. Shot. Ito yung nakataka si Caveira sa akin eh, no? Hindi ko sinugod. Buti napatay mo. Oops. Hindi kita napatay. Chibi. Si Tim. Tracer. Tracking. Tracking ulit. Sa taas, sa taas. Yep. Sa taas. There you go. Tracking, tracking. That mark. Ayun, no? Huli, oh. Soft spot, oh. Oh, headshot. So, need to reload right away. Come on. Alright. Dead. Ito, na-disconnect na kayo ni Shotty. Dalawa kayo na-disconnect na. Sabi ko, taka ko ba't na-disconnect yung dalawa? So, dalawa na lang kami, 2 in 1. So, waiting for my tracer. Waiting for my tracer to activate. Huwag ka muna mamatay, teammate. Hanapin ko muna yung kalaban ko nasaan. Oh my goodness, nasa baba. Kunin ko yung diffuser muna. Looking. Need to get the diffuser. Okay, waiting for my tracer. Waiting for my death mark to come back. Buti na lang hindi niya ako nakita. Cheating again. Wall hack activated. There you go. There you go. Fun game, fun game.